everybody, we're going to be cooking from Iowa today. I am going to be making some low carb pizza bowls. I haven't ever made them before. I'm making up the recipe like always. So come along with me and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Okay, I went to my meat market. I got a pound of ground beef and a half pound of Italian sausage. This is going to be the base of the pizza. Instead of a crust, it's just going to be some ground sausage and ground beef. I've got the oven preheating to 375. I've got some onions that I've chopped up, and I'm just finishing up chopping up a bell pepper. To the meat mixture, I'm going to add pepper. I get the coarse black pepper. I get it at Sam's. Some granulated garlic. And some Italian seasoning. And then I'm also going to add garlic salt to get the salt in there. So I'm going to brown up this ground meat and then I'll get right back with you. Alright, I got all the meat browned up. I got most of the grease drained out of it. What I'm going to do, I went and got these little bowls at the grocery store. I'm going to put a fourth of the meat and I'm going to divide it up into 4 little bowls. And then I'm going to start putting the toppings on. Okay. You can either make your own sauce or buy some sauce. I just bought some squeezable pizza sauce. And you want to put maybe a 1/4 cup on there. Depends on how saucy you like your pizza. One of these days I will make my low carb pizza crust. It's not like all the ones that are going viral right now, but it's really good. The kids even like it as much as regular pizza crust. So we'll make that some night. Then I'm just gonna divide up the bell pepper and onion on here for toppings. You can put in here whatever kind of toppings you want. However you like your normal pizza. I'm going to put some shredded Parmesan cheese and some shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm just using up this because it was in the fridge. Opened. A little bit of mozzarella. I'm going to add some pepperoni. Last thing I'm going to add is some sliced black olives. Got them all how we want them. I have been letting a pan sit in the oven while I've been assembling these while the oven was heating up. Just because I'm using these aluminum dishes, I'm going to set them on the pan. Also, in case they bubble over or something. I might put a little bit more cheese on top. These are going to bake in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. And I will catch you on the other side. Alright people, this has been in the oven for about almost 30 minutes. And it's brown and bubbly, and that's what you want it to look like. And there's your pizza bowl. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and watch our channel for some new videos. See you later.